Your project manager just posted in Slack, "Hey, which client gets the premium reporting package again?" You literally went over this in Monday's meeting. It's in the client database. There's even a color-coded spreadsheet. But here you are, typing out the answer. Again, everyone says the solution is better documentation. So you document everything. You create process maps in Miro. You organize protocols in Airtable. Your team now has access to more information than a NASA mission control. And yet, they still can't find the launch codes when they need them. Here's what nobody wants to admit. Documentation is like giving someone a cookbook when they're already cooking. Sure, it exists. But when you're standing at the stove with oil splattering everywhere, are you really going to flip through pages to find out what temperature to use? Of course not. You yell for help. I learned this the hard way when I hired my first operations manager, created 47 training videos, built a comprehensive wiki, even made a searchable FAQ database. 3 months later, I was still getting pinged 20 times a day. Which invoice template for recurring clients? What's the approval threshold? How do I tag expenses? The breaking point came when I realized I'd explained our client onboarding sequence 4 times in 1 week to the same person. That's when it clicked. My team wasn't incompetent. They were drowning in a sea of information scattered across 7 different platforms. Think about GPS versus road atlases. An atlas has all the information you need to get anywhere. But when you're driving 70 miles per hour trying to find your exit, you don't need all possible routes. You need one clear instruction at the exact moment you need to turn. Most businesses build atlases. What teams actually need are turn-by-turn directions that appear right when they're about to make a decision. When American Express reduced support tickets by 40%, they didn't create better manuals. They embedded help directly into their workflow systems. The information appeared exactly where employees were already working. Same thing happened when Zappos cut training time in half. They stopped sending people to separate knowledge bases and started surfacing answers inside the tools people were already using. The principle is simple. Stop making people hunt for information. Make information hunt for them. But here's where it gets interesting. You don't need enterprise software to do this. There's a way to architect this with tools you probably already have. I break down the exact system in the link below. It's not about creating more documentation. It's about making your existing knowledge show up exactly when and where it's needed. The question is, how many more times will you answer the same question before you fix the real problem?